Emmeline, standing with you here today, the first thing that comes to mind is finally.
Baby, when I'm with you, I don't have to try, no. There's something about this feels so right. And when you're with me, I've got all that I need. Baby, it's so easy with you. I don't really got much to say and I'm just being
So,
honest.
lumipat ako dito nung end of 2017. Wala naman ako masyadong kabarkada dito. So, yung ginawa ko, punta ako dating apps. Yung kuwari, hindi ako marunong mag-Tagalog, i-Englishan ko muna sila. Hanggang sa magsawa sila mag-English. Si May lang yung hindi nagsawa.
Ayoko pa talagang mag-boyfriend or pumasok sa any relationship at that time. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, siguro mga 30 years old na lang ako. Focus na lang muna ako sa career, ganyan. Kasi biglang dumating si Jan. Like 1 month after ko pumasa ng exam, bigla siyang dumating.
You've been through a lot and now you've got the perfect guy to me. Sobrang happy ako. Finally. Sabi ko lang yun. Bakit hindi na ako maganda?
All that I need, baby, it's so easy with you. It's so easy with you.
Poem time. Love controls the pace of how fast time goes. First, it flowed as I saw you walk towards me. Then, it hurried whenever we were close.
As time went slow and quick, it made me see just how much you really are meant for me. A lifetime spent with you I cannot miss. A time to celebrate and reminisce.
Yung mga pinagdaanan namin makes us stronger. Kumapit kami sa isa't isa and we have God with us. Sobrang thankful ko din sa kanya, kay Jan, na ginagawa niya yung best niya para sa family namin. Sabi ko nga kahit sa mga ibang tao na parang walang ibang pwede sa akin talaga. Siya lang. Siya lang talaga.
Two souls crash into one, flesh and bone. Oh, my heart was a house you made into home.
Lagi niyang sinasabi na kailan mo ba sasagutin si Jan? Sabi ko, mabait yan. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, dapat sinasabi niya sa'yo yung mga pick-up lines na tinuturo ko sa kanya.
Sabi ni Mama, bigyan ko daw ng hopya. May message dun. Hopya Bimog, my girlfriend.
I still remember the first time I went to Cavite to pick you up for our date. You were just wearing a normal t-shirt, some pants, and a pair of Sandugo sandals. But as you walked towards me, time slowed down as if everything was in slow motion. It was as if you turned my world upside down and told it, I'm his world now.
As Baymax said, I will always be with you. I will be your personal health care and your lifetime companion. From our day one to today and to my very last breath. I love you, Jan.
You've made into home. Bears all things, believe
been just over 5 years since we first got married. When I think about it, 5 years is such a short time because what I want is forever with you. To my soulmate, my partner, my best friend, my world, my wife, I will always love you.